Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make saag in clay pot. It is broccoli rabe and I will show you how to clean it. I already cleaned 3 bunches of it. This is the 4th one. Each bunch is of 1 pound, so we have 4 pounds of saag leaf. To clean it, take a branch and separate leaves from it. Keep its thick branch aside and hold leaves in your fingers. Cut them thinly in a bowl. You can also chop them on cutting board. Now peel off branch from all sides and cut it in leaves. Wash these saag leaves with tap water for 3 times and dip in water for 1 minute. So dust particles sink in bottom and we get clean saag leaves to cook, inshallah. We also need 1 bunch of spinach to clean it. Cut its branches, then take off this strip and hold clean branches in your hand. Cut off some branches from leaves and cut leaves in a bowl. Wash them also 3 times and dip in water for 1 minute to clean it. Sometimes I freeze it to use it later. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our saag leaves are ready. What else we need to cook it? Water 1.5 cup. Salt 2 teaspoons. Turmeric 1/2 teaspoon. So let's start cooking saag now with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a clay pot, add water. Then salt and turmeric. Turn on the flame. I will add 1 bunch of frozen spinach. Now hold saag leaves and squeeze water. Add it in clay pot and press it a little bit. Add all the leaves in the pot. Then cover it and let it boil on high flame. After 20 minutes, it starts boiling. Now keep the flame medium low and let it cook for 2 hours. You can check it while cooking. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 2 hours, it becomes soft. Now cook it on high flame with open lid. Also add 1/2 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder in it. Add oil, red chili powder and butter. Cook it on high flame and make it thick. It will take 30 minutes to thicken up. After 30 minutes, it becomes smooth in texture. Now mash it while cooking to make it more soft. It looks so yummy, mashallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It took more 15 minutes to thicken up, so it took 20 minutes to start boiling, 2 hours to cook on medium-low flame and 45 minutes to thicken up. Now turn off the flame and add 4 green chilies in it. Cover it for 5 seconds, then enjoy it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Everyone's favorite saag is ready, alhamdulillah. So enjoy it and share recipe. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.